Burj Al Arab. Over the desk here, we do have the wireless charger where you can keep your phone and charger wirelessly. Here is available the QR code, you can simply scan it. It's for the in-room dining, private dining. They operate for 24 hours. You can place your order either online or by dialing the speed dial over the phone. On the other side there, we do have the coffee and tea station where it have the tea bags and the coffee capsules along with the coffee machine and the kettle. Downstairs is located the mini bar. Okay. Or some alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages. And on the other side is the other part of the mini bar. All the prices are available over the menu. On the right side here we have the control panel for the AC, where you can control the temperature, and the lower part is for the lights.
Okay.
If you'd like to listen to some music, we do have the Bluetooth speaker. You can connect your phone through Bluetooth at the corner there.
Yes.
Your suite is developed, so the remote control does not only control the TV, but it also controls some features in the room. Using the remote control, by directing it to the sensor, you can close, open the curtains, you can activate the don't disturb, and there's a lot of information on the TV about the hotel as well.
Okay.
Would like to have a look upstairs?
Yes. Sure.
Please, after you. The light control panel for the wardrobe is located here, and the other side is for the bathroom.
Okay.
We have kept some gifts for you on the bathroom. On the right side, you can see we have a Hermes male perfume, along the female one, along with the body lotion. It's gifts for you.
Okay.
Hope you're gonna like it. On the corner on the right side of the shelves, all the shower amenities and the towels are located. On the right side, madam, on the shelves.
Yes, yes.
If you'd like to set up the jacuzzi at any time, please let us know. The team can come and prefer your bubble bath.
Okay.
To keep you right in place, let me pause the keep in the wardrobe here. And lock it accordingly.
Okay.
Like to have a look into the bedroom?
Yeah.
Please ask me. Yeah, I already did that, sure. So over here is the bedroom.
Awesome.
You have a fantastic view. Now the sunset started, so it's a great view.
Yes.
The TV here is hidden. Once you turn it on, it's gonna pop up. Once you turn it off, it's gonna get down back to keep your view uninterrupted.
Oh, that's great.
Once you turn it off, it's gonna get back down. Another minibar is located here with some drinks.
Okay.
On the side of the bed, we do have a wireless charger. We have the QR code for the private dining again, and we do have a phone with some speed dials available on it. AC control panel is located over here, same as the one downstairs, but that one only controls the bedroom.
Okay.
Thank you so much for choosing Burj Al Arab. Enjoy your stay. Let us know for any further assistance at any time, please. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Namaste, Namaskaram, Sasriyakal, Adab, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel DishaUAE. Today I'm taking you to one of the most iconic landmarks in the world and said to be the only 7-star hotel, the Burj Al Arab, Dubai. I have been living here in the UAE for almost 16 years, and finally I got the golden opportunity not just to visit but to stay at this architectural marvel. All thanks to my dear co-brother who celebrated his wedding anniversary here and gave us this unforgettable surprise. Thank you so much, Appa, for this lovely treat. It's truly a once-in-a-lifetime memory for us. So come with me, friends. Let's explore this luxurious paradise together. Since there is so much to cover, I will be sharing this vlog in 3 parts. Part 1, a tour of architecture, lobby, our duplex suite, and our dining experience, including breakfast and dinner. Part 2, a look at the pool area, spa, and other leisure facilities. Part 3, a fun buggy ride and the complimentary Abra ride around the surrounding areas. So stay tuned and don't miss a single moment of this luxurious journey. Let's go inside and experience the magic of Burj Al Arab together. Wow, the lobby is really breathtaking. Just look at the interiors, friends. Most of the decor is gold plated and the architecture is out of this world. This hotel was built in 1999 and even after 25 years, it remains as majestic, as grand as ever. It's built on its own private island, which makes it even more exclusive and special. The moment you arrive, you are treated like royalty. The staff welcomes you with hot towels, traditional Arabic tea, coffee, and dates. Every guest here is treated like a VIP. The hospitality is absolutely world class. We were lucky enough to stay in a duplex one bedroom suite. Yes, a two-story suite filled with luxury and elegance. You may have already seen a quick glimpse, but don't worry, I will show you the full room tour in detail. Wow, just look at these elevators. They are covered in real 24 karat gold. Absolutely stunning. The way they shine under the light is mesmerizing. As the door opens, you are greeted by a warm golden glow. They don't just take you to another floor, they transport you into a world of luxury and elegance. It's like stepping into a palace. Only at the Burj Al Arab can you find something this extravagant. Now let me show you our magnificent one bedroom suite. As soon as you enter, you are welcomed into a spacious living area adorned with rich furnishings and floor to ceiling windows that offer panoramic views of Palm Jumeirah and the Arabian Gulf. This level features a comfortable living room, a dining table suitable for 4 guests, golden TV, Bluetooth speaker, and a private bar counter, creating an ideal space for relaxation. For those needing to work, the suite includes a fully equipped work desk with laptop, printer, and telephone services. Bathrooms are fully equipped with gold-plated taps and fittings. They even provide Hermes toiletries. Everything screams premium here. The elegant spiral staircase takes us to the master bedroom upstairs. Wow, what a beautiful view through these floor to ceiling windows. We can see the endless ocean and the skyline. And you know what's the coolest part? There is a hidden TV inside this cabinet that only comes up when you need it. So your view is never interrupted. Perfect blend of luxury and smart design. Now let me dry my hair with this gold coated Dyson hair dryer. At night, we are heading out for dinner at the Bombay Club, a contemporary Indian restaurant led by Chef Manav Tuli, located in the stunning Marsa Al Arab Hotel. The best part, the complimentary buggy ride. It's such a fun and convenient way to explore the surrounding areas. Just look at the beautiful view. The Burj Al Arab looks even more stunning at night, with its sail-shaped silhouette beautifully lit up against the dark sky. We are crossing the wave-shaped Jumeirah Beach Hotel now. Jumeirah Marsa Al Arab Hotel is newly opened in March 2025. This hotel is super yacht inspired luxury resort located on a peninsula adjacent to the iconic Burj Al Arab Hotel. We have arrived at the Bombay Club Hotel. The ambience here is elegant and inviting, reflecting the rich culinary heritage of India. The food was delicious with dishes like smoked butter chicken and chestnut paneer tikka. While the menu isn't extensive, each dish is thoughtfully prepared and full of flavor. Now let's go for breakfast and explore the fantastic options at Bal Al Yam Restaurant. The breakfast timing here is from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m., perfect for a relaxed, luxurious start to your day. Let me show you what was on the menu. There were some amazing Indian items like freshly made paratha, spicy and flavorful paneer bhurji, hot soft idli served with chutney right at our table. They even had vegetable noodles, egg fried rice, and steaming hot momos, perfect for those who love Asian flavors in the morning. The bakery counter was full of buttery croissants, assorted bread, soft donuts, and rich cakes. Everything looked as good as it tasted. You could choose from a range of cheese, flavored yogurts, pickles, and cereals, perfect for a light and healthy bite. A variety of fresh salads and a colorful spread of seasonal fruits added a refreshing balance to the rich buffet. At our table, we were served freshly brewed cappuccino, tea, coffee, and fresh fruit juices. Everything was top notch. Along with hot idlis, they also served crispy golden hash browns right at our table, which is my personal favorite. And yes, there were even candies and sweet treats to end your breakfast on a fun note. After having the delicious breakfast, we headed up to the 27th floor to check out the famous Muntaha restaurant and the Skyway Lounge, which is known for its breathtaking panoramic views of Dubai's skyline and the Arabian Gulf. We were super excited to see it, but unfortunately, we found out that the lounge is open only at 1 pm. Although we couldn't go inside this time, we caught a small glimpse of the stunning view, and let me tell you, it looks amazing. We will definitely keep the Skyway launch on our list for our next visit. But stay tuned, guys, since the video is becoming a bit long, I will be covering the rest in part 2 of my vlog. Coming up next, a detailed look at the pool area, spa, and other leisure facilities at the iconic Burj Al Arab. You don't want to miss this, right? If you enjoyed this glimpse into our luxurious journey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exclusive experiences. Bye bye, take care, फिर मिलेंगे.